Hi guys, in this video I show you different ways to get fast delivery in AliExpress. Open the AliExpress app first. Then search for any product you are interested in, for example 4K drone. If I tap on this drone for example and then scroll down, you can see the shipment options. Tap on the shipment options and then more options right here. You can see all the options you can select for fast delivery. In this case, both options have the same delivery time. Let's search for another product which maybe offers more shipment options. For example here, cat outdoor house. If we now go and check the shipment options, you can see different options which are a little bit faster, but be aware it's always connected to a higher price. If you want to have fast shipping without paying more, you can use filter options. Tap directly here on local or go to the filter options and select right here under shipping from your available country. In my case, it would be Germany, so I select Germany and then I can search and find products which are based in local warehouses. These warehouses are very close to your place, which make it possible to deliver the product in 2 or 5 days. And that's it. Have fun shopping and see you next time.